Part 1. The AI Paradox. A centralized brain in a decentralized world? Every time a new user joins the Interlink network, a critical judgment is made. Is this person real? Are they unique? This decision is not made by a blockchain. It is not made by a human. It is made by an artificial intelligence, AI. This creates a paradox. How can a decentralized ecosystem, built on the principle of don't trust, verify, place at its very core a technology that often feels like a centralized, opaque black box? Is Interlink's AI the system's greatest strength or its fatal flaw? Welcome back to the Deep Technology Analysis series. Today, we will open that black box to investigate the brain behind the entire Interlink operation. We will explore exactly what Interlink's AI is, how it is powerful enough to defeat the deepfakes of 2025, and most importantly, how it has been designed to be fair, unbiased, and aligned with the core principles of Web3. Chapter 1. Symmetric Warfare. Why AI is necessary. Before we decode AI, we must first understand why it is a necessary component. The threat landscape of 2025 is not about uploading simple photos. We are talking about real-time deepfake video injection attacks, hyper-realistic 3D masks, and entire synthetic identities created by competing AIs. To fight an AI-armed army of fakes, you cannot bring a simple CAPTCHA test to the battle. You need an equally intelligent and robust defense system. This is a situation of symmetric warfare. You need AI to fight AI. The question, therefore, is not whether you should use AI, but how you build an AI you can trust. Part 2. Decoding the Brain. How Interlink's AI works. Interlink's solution to building a trustworthy AI is based on 3 innovative pillars. Chapter 2. More than a camera. Liveness, check engine, and 3D mapping. First, the core capability of the AI. It is not a simple facial recognition algorithm matching a photo. It is an advanced liveness check engine designed to answer one question. Is there a living, breathing human in front of the camera right now? It analyzes dozens of subtle, unconscious signals that a deepfake can hardly replicate in real time. Light and texture. It analyzes how light reflects on the unique texture and pores of real human skin compared to the flat, uniform reflection from a digital screen or silicone mask. Biological signals. It even detects microexpressions, small involuntary muscle movements that we all make, and other subtle biological signals, such as pupil dilation in response to screen light. This complex data is then used to create a mathematical facial fingerprint, which is immediately hashed and encrypted on your device, as we discussed. The AI's job is simply to be the world's most sophisticated gatekeeper. Chapter 3. The Federated Learning Model. A decentralized brain? This brings us to the biggest concern, centralization. If Interlink trains a massive AI model on a central server, doesn't that make them a single point of failure? The answer is yes, which is why they don't do it that way. They use a model called Federated Learning. Here's the analogy. Imagine a teacher trying to improve their lesson plan. In a centralized model, each student would have to send their completed private homework to the teacher. The teacher reads all and improves the lesson. It's efficient, but invades student privacy. In the Federated Learning model, the teacher sends the lesson to each student. The students apply the lesson to their homework locally and privately. Then, they send back an anonymous summary of their learning results. For example, question 3 was the hardest, without ever revealing the actual homework. The teacher combines these anonymous learning results from everyone to create a much smarter lesson for the next day. This is exactly how Interlink's AI gets smarter. The core model runs locally on your phone. It learns from your unique verification process. Then, only anonymous, aggregated results and lessons are sent back to improve the central model for everyone, without your private biometric data ever leaving the device. This is how to build collective intelligence without creating a centralized data repository. Chapter 4. Humans in the System. The Fight Against Bias. The final and perhaps most important pillar is the protection mechanism against AI's biggest vulnerability: bias. We have all seen headlines about AI algorithms performing worse on certain skin tones or ethnicities. How does Interlink fight this? They use a human-in-the-loop system. When the AI encounters a verification scan with low confidence, perhaps due to unusual lighting or a rare facial feature, it does not simply reject the user. Instead, this case is anonymized, blurred to protect all personal data, and sent to a randomly selected jury of highly reputable human nodes. These human judges review the anonymized data and vote on the decision. This system provides a critical check and balance against fully algorithmic decision-making. It ensures exceptions are handled with human nuance and continuously feeds feedback to the AI model to help it self-correct its biases over time. Part 3. Ethical AI, a tool for humanity. Chapter 5. A symbiotic relationship. When you put all three pillars together, you see the beautiful symbiotic relationship we discussed in the video about AI plus blockchain. AI acts as the intelligent sensor, blockchain acts as the immutable ledger, and the human node network acts as the ethical oversight committee. Each component covers the weaknesses of the others, creating a robust and trustworthy system. So, Interlink's AI is not just another facial recognition algorithm. It is an advanced liveness check engine, trained through a privacy-preserving federated model and held accountable by a human-in-the-loop review system. It is a brain, but a brain with a conscience. Interlink's deepest innovation may not be its blockchain or cryptography, but its pioneering approach to building an ethical, accountable AI that is fundamentally human-centered. They are making a powerful statement. AI does not have to be a centralized force to fear, but can be designed as a decentralized tool to empower and protect us all. We have dived deep into blockchain, cryptography, human networks, and AI. But how do these components work as a business? What is the economics of running a human node versus a validator node? In the next video, we will dive into the economics of the Interlink ecosystem. You won't want to miss it. Thank you for watching.